Hey, what's up guys? Jay here from Kamotic Reviews, kung saan gumagawa tayo ng mga unboxing videos, tech product reviews, tech tutorials, at kung ano-ano pang tech-related stuff. And for today's episode, we will be reviewing the Redmi Smart Band 2. Let's go! As you may know, Redmi is under the Xiaomi brand. Yun nga lang, Redmi is the more budget-friendly na mga products. Now, how much is this gonna cost you? The Smart Band 2? This is just 1,499 pesos. Kung titingnan mo yung mga presyo ng ibang smartwatches, that's gonna cost you around 20,000 pesos, even 40,000 pesos sa iba, no? Yung mga much more premium na smartwatch options. But 1,499 pesos, the question is, anong makukuha mo sa 1,499 pesos na babayaran mo para sa smartwatch na to? Let's start with what's inside the box. You'll get a user manual and some documentation, a magnetic charging cable, and yung smartwatch na mismo. Detachable yung band sa strap para pwede kayong magpalit ng strap just in case gusto nyo magbago yung look ng smartwatch ninyo. Officially, there are 6 colors na pwede kayong pagpilian pagka bibili kayo nito. Yung strap is made of TPU material, not silicone like yung mga typical na makikita ninyo sa ibang mga premium smartwatches. Nga pala, while we are in the topic nitong strap, make sure na lagi siyang nakasecure. Meaning ito, lagi siyang nakalagay dyan or laging nakatak yan. Or else, kasi madaling matanggal to. Simpleng ganun lang tanggal na and madali rin tong matanggal mismo or mahubad sa wrist ninyo. And that's actually what happened to me. In fact, this is already my second Redmi Smart Band 2 just to do this review. Kasi yung una kong ginamit na ganito o yung nireview ko noon, hindi ko napansin, natanggal na pala and nalaglag. Dahil nga magaan lang siya, hindi ko napansin na wala na pala siya sa wrist ko. So, just be mindful of that. So, when it comes to navigation, dito sa smartwatch na to, so wala tong any physical button para makapunta ka sa home or any dial or anything na pwedeng iikot para makapag-navigate kayo sa kanya. Yung navigation niya is really just swiping up, down, left, or right. So for example, nandito kayo sa home screen, if you swipe down, makikita nyo yung notifications ninyo. You can swipe up para bumalik doon sa home screen, pero another way to just go back is just to swipe right. Then kapag bumalik kayo sa home screen, if you swipe up, then makikita nyo na yung mga iba't ibang apps na meron siya, and also para makapunta rin kayo, makita nyo yung settings dito sa phone na to. And then again, just swipe to the right para mag-back. And then from the home screen, if you swipe to the right, then makikita nyo yung mga quick na access doon sa ibang mga health tracker na apps. And of course, pag-control din ng music. And then yung weather and yung iba pa. And then if you just continue swiping left or right dyan, you will go back to the home screen. Let's talk specs. Yung size nito is 42.81mm by 25.42mm by 9.9mm na thickness. Yung weight nito is just 14.9 grams, so magaan lang talaga siya. Ang advantage ng mga ganitong form factor na smartwatches is para lang kayong may suot na bracelet. So, let's say naglalaro kayo ng basketball or ng football or any sports for that matter, parang hindi nyo siya suot-suot or parang wala kayong suot. So, hindi siya ganong nakakailang para sa inyo and para na rin dun sa mga kalaro ninyo. So, hindi rin siya ganong kadelikado na kapag may tumama sa kanya is baka magkaroon pa ng injury yung tatamaan niya. The display itself is a TFT panel, so hindi siya Super AMOLED na typical na makikita nyo sa mga premium na smartwatches. And then, yung dimension niya diagonally is 1.47 inches. And then as you can see, medyo malaki yung bezel niya. Although, to be honest, when you're using this, halos hindi nyo na mapapansin yung bezel na yan. Or I mean, mas magpo-focus kayo dun sa nakikita nyo dun sa display mismo. When it comes to the pixel density, this is 247 ppi. And for a small display like this, that's more than enough. Now, when it comes to the maximum brightness, this is a maximum of 450 nits. When you're indoors, okay yan. Normal, makikita nyo talaga yung nasa display. Pero kapag ka outdoors kayo, especially direct sunlight na tumatama dito sa relo na to, medyo mag-struggle na kayong makita yung display. Although makikita nyo pa rin, yun nga lang, dahil hindi siya ganun ka-bright, pag nasa under siya ng direct sunlight, medyo hindi ganun kalinaw yung makikita ninyo. When it comes to the water resistance, this is 5 ATM, so pwede siyang mabasa ng ulan. Let's say, pwede nyo rin pang swimming for shallow waters, though hindi siya recommended for mga scuba diving. And then of course, kahit pag naliligo kayo, pwede nyo pa rin itong gamitin. That should not be a problem for this smartwatch. Pwede nyo gamitin itong smartwatch na to sa mga Android devices ninyo, and pwede rin sa mga iOS devices. Sa Android, kailangan nyo lang ng Android 6 or higher na version, and then sa iOS devices, it should be iOS 12 or higher. Then download nyo lang yung Mi Fitness na app. Available naman yan both sa Play Store sa Android and sa App Store sa iOS. As for any smartwatch, meron dito syempre yung mga typical na mga health monitoring apps. So for example, you can measure your heart rate dito, so you can click on that. And then, pwede nyo rin i-measure yung SpO2 ninyo, yung oxygen level saturation ng blood ninyo. And then, meron din kayong pang-track ng sleep. So, you can see from here. And then, meron din kayong pang-measure ng stress. So, kung gusto nyo nang malaman kung gaano kayo ka-stress, pwede nyo rin i-check using that app. So, ayan yung mga some of the health monitoring app na makikita nyo dito sa Redmi Smart Band 2. And of course, meron din tong fitness tracker na kung saan i-record niya or i-monitor niya yung heart rate ninyo, yung steps na na-take na ninyo, or i-estimate niya yung calories na na-burn na ninyo while you're doing a particular exercise. So it has 30 plus na fitness modes. So yung mga exercises na nandito is, let's say, yung of course, running, walking, indoor cycling, outdoor cycling, treadmill, meron din kahit yung HIIT, meron ding yoga, even skateboarding and roller skating, meron din siya. Wala lang ako nakitang basketball or let's just say football, pero yung mga traditional na strength training, meron siya. So hopefully, yung mga ibang sports or ibang activities, exercise na wala dito, in the next software updates or in the upcoming software updates, meron silang ilagay dito. Now, one thing na notice ko, pagdating doon sa mga na-measure nito, medyo mas conservative or mas mababa yung nakukuha niyang heart rate sa calories burned. If i-compare ko siya dun sa Apple Watch ko na ginagamit, let's say suot ko siya pareho, kapag tinanong ko yung final results, mas mababa yung mga calories burned and heart rate monitor nito. It's not saying na mas tama yung Apple Watch, is that yun lang, no? Pag kinompare mo siya sa ibang smartwatches, usually mas mababa yung mga nakukuhang result dito. So aside from dun sa mga nabanggit ko ng mga features kanina, and then related dun sa fitness tracker apps, saka dun sa mga health monitoring apps, may ibang features tong smartwatch na to. So for example, you can receive notifications through this. So pwede nyong iset na nagba-vibrate to kapag naka-receive kayo ng notification. Any notification na papasok sa phone niyo, makikita nyo rin dito as long as they're connected via Bluetooth. Then, pwede nyo ring kontrolin yung music niyo. Let's say, nakikinig kayo sa Spotify and you want to move it forward, or you want to pause the music, or rewind, or parang next track or previous track, pwede nyo rin siyang kontrolin dito. Aside from that, pwede nyo rin kontrolin yung mga videos na pinapanood ninyo. Or let's just say, nagpe-play yung Netflix or yung Amazon Prime or even YouTube videos, pwede nyo rin siyang makontrol dito. Now, one of the things na gustong-gusto ko rin na feature nito, or the thing that you can do with this in tandem with your phone, is yung Find My Phone na feature. So let's just say nakakonect to via Bluetooth dun sa phone natin, and let's say nawawala or hindi natin makita yung phone natin, nasa loob ng bag or nasaan man siya sa bahay. As long as within range yung watch na to dun sa phone, pag kinlik nyo yung Find My Phone, magsasend ng notification or mag-ring yung phone ninyo para makita ninyo kung nasan o yung phone ninyo. Now, you can do a lot more with this smartwatch using yung Mi Fitness app. So, just go there and then you can have more controls para dito. Now, one of the things that I really like is via that app, pwede nyo palitan yung watch face nitong smartwatch na to. And I am just really happy na maraming option ng watch faces dun sa Mi Fitness app. When it comes to the battery life, sabi ng Xiaomi, 14 days para ma-fully discharge siya. Hindi pa naman ako maabot dun sa part na talagang nag-zero siya or naghintay ako ng 14 days para lang makita ko kung zero siya. Pero typically, after 7 days, nag-charge na ako. And 7 days, meron pa siya mga around 30 to 40%. So, it will take around 1.5 to 2 hours to fully charge this. Depende na lang syempre kung gano'n na ka-discharge or kung ilang pang battery percentage yung natitira sa inyo. So, you have to use that magnetic cable. Don't lose it! Kasi, yun nga, no, that's the only way to charge it via that cable. And you just have to plug it sa any, let's say, charging device or charging brick na USB-A yung connection. Now, what do I think of the Redmi Smart Band 2? I think that if you're looking for an entry-level na smartwatch or if you're looking for your first smartwatch at 1,499 pesos, this is value for money. You get your fitness tracker app, then meron din kayong mga health monitoring apps, and then you get other features like receiving notifications dito, you can control your music, your videos sa phone ninyo, and then also that find phone na feature. Aside from that, meron pa kayong mga customization options. Pwede nyo mapalitan mismo yung strap na to and also yung pagpalit ng watch faces nitong mismong smartwatch. Now, of course, may mga onting compromises. For example, this is just TFT, not AMOLED, but really, I don't think that's a deal breaker. But I think yung pagdating dun sa fitness tracker, I think later on, no, maybe Redmi can improve yung accuracy noong pagkukuha ng mga results sa pagtatrack ng mga fitness activities. But overall, I really do feel that this is something that can be of a good buy for you. How about you? What do you think of the Redmi Smart Band 2? Let me know in the comments section below. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. That's our review of this Redmi Smart Band 2 smartwatch. I do hope that you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. If you want more contents like this, please do consider subscribing to our channel. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.